Hi, I'm Chris Ryall. I'm a San Diego-based comic book publisher and writer. And as far as the question of when I first saw myself in a book, as a kid, it was probably two books that answer that question best. I still have them both, by the way. They are The Phantom Toolbooth by Norton Juster and Roald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And the reason for both is kind of the same in that they both showed me a sort of disaffected kid who hadn't quite found his way yet, but who discovered a broader, more fantastical world through, in their cases, of Milo and the Phantom Tollbooth, this fantastical land he journeyed to, and for Charlie, this amazing toy factory. For me, that world that sort of blew my mind and brought me into this much more colorful, larger sort of sphere to exist in was books. Books have always been where I've discovered new things and new people and new ways of looking at the world. And so those books were just, my early gateway to a much broader world that I'm still happy to expand every possible chance I get. And thankfully, due to places like the San Diego Public Library, I'm able to do that. I love the library because it's a gorgeous space. It's got beautifully curated books and content and speakers and all of those things. And it's a place that I love to visit whenever I can, and I can't wait to get back to. So, San Diego Library, thanks for all you do.